Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert a Lovable site into a WordPress theme. Alright, let's begin. After you generate your website using Lovable AI, the first step is to add a specific prompt. This prompt instructs Lovable to create a WordPress-compatible theme, complete with all the necessary PHP and styling files. Once the files are ready, select the code and click View on GitHub. Make sure your GitHub account is already connected. Inside GitHub, navigate to the main zip file directory and click the code button. Now, select the Download Zip option. After downloading, unzip the folder and look for the file labeled WordPress theme. This is your actual theme. Right-click it, compress it back into a zip file, and rename it if you like. Now log in to your WordPress dashboard. Inside WordPress, go to Appearance, then Themes. Click Install New Theme, click on Continue, choose Upload Theme, and then select the zip file you just created. Once it loads, hit Activate, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Your Lovable AI site is now active as a WordPress theme. You may notice some minor style differences, such as fonts, spacing, or layouts. This is completely normal. You can refine your original prompt or edit the theme manually to achieve a closer match. So that's basically how you can convert a Lovable site into a WordPress theme. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!